pretty much the home screen of the application. And what this really is pretty much a chatbot or AI application which pretty much help you with anything at all. So at the top here you can choose whichever model you want to use. Most of these models you will require a subscription to use them. Also, you have the AI voice. You can change the AI voice as well. These are all AI voices available, but all of these are pretty much subscription based. So down here you have all the instructions, personalized instruction, which the AI needs to follow. You can also add that as well, but nothing much for that. There also have some advanced feature here which you can enable, meaning web search if needed, image generation. As you can see here, you can set the graphics whether it to be low or high. But most of these pretty much require subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that. There are nothing much for down here. And over here, no, nothing much as well. Pretty much just the history or anything that you have chat with the AI application and all. Over here, you just have these star chats. Nothing much. But down here as well, yeah, you have the analyzing section where pretty much if you record something or upload a file, it will just give you the key points of that conversation. So very simple. And down here you have the account section where you can go and get your subscription. You also have the advanced points as well. So to get your subscription for this application here, all you have to do is the top one here where it says try free. It will pretty much show you this subscription page. As you can see here, you have two types of subscription. You have the first subscription here and the next subscription here. So you do get a 3 days free trial for this subscription here, and over here do not get a free trial or anything like that. And I can see how much credits you'll be getting with this subscription here as well for the month. So you do get that amount monthly. So I'm going to purchase the monthly subscription. As you can see here, the prices and everything for the subscription. So basically, I've just a simple chatbot application which can help you with your day-to-day tasks. And the plus icon down here, you can add your photos or anything that you want the AI to analyze and so forth. You can also translate any language using this AI application. As I said before, just a AI chatbot or application which can help you with anything that you pretty much want. So that's really pretty much it. If I miss anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.